What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. As y'all can see, this is a little bit different than what I normally do start my videos, like walking around and holding the camera and doing all this weird stuff. Well, y'all can thank the subscriber right here on the screen for this video. He asked, I told him I got you, I'll do the video. If y'all have any videos that y'all want me to shoot or do or whatever, just let me know and I'll do it. If it's like possible and feasible for me to do, I'll do it. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe down below. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you like the content. Also, if you already subscribed, just hit that like button. It helps me a lot and it goes a long way. I mean, a long way with making this content. I mean, if you hit that like button, the more likes I get, then that helps me in the algorithm and pushing me further out here in this YouTube universe and being seen by many more people, and I can open up the content like variety even more, because some things gonna be changing later on my channel. I'm not gonna say what it is, but anyway, that's enough talking. Follow me on IG at mac11.exe. Link will be down below. If you want to chop it up, talk to me, anything about whatever, I got you. But anyway, we're gonna get right into this room tour and show off what I have in my room. So let's get right into it. Let's go. So first thing I want to show off in my room would be my PC. We can start with that first. Starting off with the PC. Yeah, this is what I got. 16 gigs of RAM. I forgot what CPU I have, but I know it's like the most, it's a very high-end CPU that I got. It's an AMD Ryzen CPU. I went with AMD, reason being is really good with multitasking, because I do a lot of video editing, graphic design work, a whole bunch of stuff. So I went with Ryzen with that. I got a 2070 GeForce graphics card, so that's a beast. That helps as well. If y'all want to see a video of me like building this, it's on my channel. Just scroll down, you'll see the video and just check it out and watch it. So that was like the early stage of my channel, me building this PC, and I was building it just for like video editing, my graphic design work, and some gaming as well. So that's my PC. Let's go to the desk. So now we here on the desk. As you can see, I just got done playing League with my boys. We got our asses beat. I mean, we got beat badly. Look at that, 17, 28, 28, 17. We got beat bad. I fed. I'm sick. I'm 0-6-6. So yeah, I was trash that game. It's been a while since I played League. And there's my boys right here. We got Kush, Goodfella, Joe, my guy OG Matt, and Millie. So y'all niggas just got free shout outs. So that's with that. I got my Dwight Schrute bobblehead and hit him real quick. There you go. I got my blue Yeti microphone. One of my favorites. I had it for a while. Next, I got my Razer mouse and I got my Corsair mouse. You may be asking, Matt, why you got two of them? Well, reason being, one is just for me to use for like graphic design, editing videos, playing shooters with, like shooting games. And this one is more for like MMORPGs. If you know what MMORPG is, you understand why I got this. Because I hate using the numbers on the keyboard to use my skills, so it's easier to use a mouse with the buttons on the side. So that's why I got two of these. And my headphones. I got my Razer headphones right here, and some of my old lenses. This is one of the old lenses I used to use. This is a 22mm lens. I want to sell this, so if y'all want to buy it, hit me up. And that's a kit lens right there. So what else? Oh, I keep this on my desk. If you watch my other video as well, with me like painting this from green to red, and I just keep my stuff in here. If I can get it open, hold on. But yeah, you see that. So that's what's in there. Got my PS4 Pro, and if you see my video, I think I dropped this in December-ish on this item. It came with a polar bear tee with two polar bears on it with scarves on. It was like a Christmas thing. So I'm keeping those, and I had got some. I just started putting, but I just put like a couple dollars in here, like for no reason. So my cups that I acquired over my human-made collecting, as you all can see, and my snow globes. I got the duck in that thing like that. Recently copped. And I got this one last year, and some more of my I guess my other thermals and cups. Yeah, so that's it for that. And let's go to my crates. All right, first starting off over here on this side of my room where my crates are at. I got my shoes right here, my Royal Toes. What else? My University Blues. Gotta keep them in the box. Gotta keep these in the box. And here's my human made steel like tray. I just put my little knickknacks in it, like cords, cables, and things like that. I need to go get some batteries for this so I can print out my labels and put on my crates so I know what's in them. All right. So in this crate, what we got? I got my hats, all my hats that like I don't want to wear to work. I put them in here. So I just come in here and it's like, which one I'm gonna wear today? So that's how it basically goes with me. I need to get one for my beanies, to be honest. I need to get a crate for my beanie. All right, so that's it for that crate. I know I'm not like my homie, I'm not like my homie Bait from Dave. He got a stupid crate wall. I put all my socks in here. I still haven't put these on yet. I need to wear these. But here's my other human made socks. My socks from Emojine and Willie. I hope I'm saying that right. I hope I'm not fucking up their damn like company name. If I am, I'm sorry, but I like your product. All right, next, what's in here? In this crate, I put all my packages in that I'm gonna unbox for a video. That one I already unboxed. That was like my broken, I forgot what the hell was in this one. I forgot, I just didn't take it back out. But in this, I got 1, 2, and 3 down there that I have to unbox. In my next human made unboxing, that's gonna be a fire video, so y'all look out for that one. Also, I forgot, I wasn't able to open this one on time for the other brands videos because it came in like a day late. So yeah, that's why I ain't unboxed that one. So I'll do it in the next one, which would be, I don't know. It's just whenever I get to it, I get to it. Next, so this is like my resale crate. I put everything in here on resale. I got my canvas rucksack I plan on getting rid of, and that small human made hoodie that I had bought that I need to get rid of. So that's all in that one. Oh, my back, y'all don't understand, my back. So in the last crate, we would have, there's a lot of shit going on. Just like extra stuff. I got, like when I'm like reselling or sending out giveaways, dig in here to get my bags, and look who showed. Bro, right? You got wings, bro?
I don't do wings.
Philly?
Everything on it.
Get out. Get out. Now I gotta give me something to eat after this. Anyway, back to this. Yeah. You have to put on my extra bags in here and stuff so I can just put it back in here and reship it out and send it out to y'all. So that's all I put in my crates. But I need some more. Now I'm hungry. I smell that food. All right, so I'm gonna check out the closet. All right, so my closet, a whole bunch of shirts. A whole bunch of shirts. Some of these I need to send this one out. And I need to send. If y'all can see it, the light ain't getting in my closet. But yeah, these just all my shirts that I got, human made and all the other stuff, and some other human made jacket. This one, y'all seen recently, and just hoodies and stuff like that, and pants and stuff up there. I need to buy some more pants, and there we go, and some shoes. I just throw my shoes in there. Yes, my closet is junky, but we finna go downstairs, so let's head downstairs now. And I'm so hungry. Damn, JD had to bring that food. All right, so now I'm downstairs. I'm gonna show y'all what's down here, since y'all wanna check it out. It's a little bit more stuff going on down here and more interesting, and that's why I moved from upstairs to downstairs. So let me show y'all what's down here that I see on a daily basis and what y'all do not see in my video. So let me show y'all what's down here. All right, so first, this is Bam stuff right here. If y'all know my homie Bam, just go back and look at the give back video I gave back to my homies. You'll know who Bam is. But anyway, this is Bam cutout of Freddy and Jason. He's in a horror movie. He's a fan of Freddy, mostly of Freddy. So yeah, so this is Bam stuff right here. And you can tell from the different movie posters who's who. I don't have any movie posters up yet, but this is Bam and JD stuff. Yeah. All right, so starting with the coffee table, we have JD. Where you get this from? This gun? All right, so I guess he got this like retro gun from Goodwill. This like 80s style retro.
It's the first laser gun.
First laser gun.
That came out in 86.
So apparently it's like the first laser gun that came out in 86, he says. I don't believe him. But anyway, as y'all can see, I got the human made paper mache duck right here, and we got like this all matted out black globe, which is sick. Coasters, human made banana, and we got some reading material right here. This is JD stuff right here. So if y'all come over, y'all want to read something, just look at something, there you go. And we also have some stuff down here below. It's hard to see, but we have this, which is a human made lookbook that we got down here. Some cards, Steve Jobs book, that's JD's. What else? Just like a whole bunch of little stuff down here, nothing too crazy. So that's on the coffee table. And over here by Freddie and Jason, we have my one-of-one human-made duck rug. So this is my first rug, but it's not, you know, directly human-made, but it's over here. And again, it's BAM cut out. And over here, which I see normally, we have the Chinatown Market basketball. I think it's Chinatown Market and the Grateful Dead collab basketball. This right here is Bam's. I think he got this for Christmas. Again, he's a very big fan of Freddy Krueger, so he got this for Christmas. As you can see, the poster behind it that goes with it. So, and I think this is right here, JD's Taz little plushie, Rubik's Cube. I don't know why I'm still trying to figure out why he put these in here, but it's whatever. This is JD stuff. Yeah, the Count, Big Bird, Cookie Monster, and Elmo. And down below that would be John Wick. I think it's JD's or BAM's, if I can not mistaken. So it's one of theirs. And down below again is my stuff. In the back, you got Gogeta. You see him in my previous video. Unboxing, I got that from my boy Bait from Dave. You got this spray can from Chinatown Market. And I got this little Goku figurine from the Dragon Ball Fighters game. And I got this from a human made, what was it? I think I got this, yeah, I got this little human made little doll from the Tiger Head, the paper mache Tiger Head. And I got another Dwight Schrute figurine because I'm a big fan of The Office. I got this for Christmas. And Jim Halpert shot glass. And Vegeta Super Saiyan Blue. Yeah. And at the bottom, you got Wonder Woman. If you can see it, the damn reflection not gonna help. But yeah, I got Wonder Woman at the bottom. And over here on the TV stand, soundbar, Super Nintendo 64. Yeah, we play a lot of retro shit in here. Well, Bam, he liked retro games, as you can see right there. And we got some Funko Pops. I don't have any down here yet. Got some movies, some more games, Killer Instinct. Is this dark or is it too light? Anyway, and that right there. And I think, oh, I gotta do the sofa. Even though I already did it before, I gotta do the sofa. As you all know, we got the human-made Dizuk, of course, tripod. And as we pan to the right, we have the Murakami pillow, ice cream pillow, human-made blanket, one of my favorites. And we have my other human-made pillow, the burger. I'm still tripping about that lettuce. It should be like right in between the cheese and the tomatoes. So, hold on, that's a weird angle to hold it. If y'all enjoyed this video, drop a like down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, this is for my subscriber. I hope y'all liked it. I just winged it. I just picked up my camera to start recording. If y'all liked it, let me know. Yeah, if y'all liked it, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I will catch y'all in the next video. And yeah, the next video that drops next Sunday, it's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna say that. It's gonna be a good video. But anyway, I appreciate y'all's love and support. Catch y'all next one. Peace.